Hi guys, this is Vishwa and you're watching Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity in the Google AdSense. So if you're using the YouTube or else any platform you are using the AdMob or else the AdSense, so you need to verify your account. So if you're a beginner, if you reach the $10 in the AdSense or AdMob, you need to verify your identity. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you what are the requirement details you need to have and how we can submit and how we can fully approve our Google AdSense. So before going to the video friends, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So as you can see here friends, I have got an mail from the Google. So as you can see here, payment, Google payment. So you need to verify your identity and also there is some information. So yeah, as you can see here, you can read it. So in this video I'm going to show you the process. So full process you can read all the, you will be getting if you reach the $10 in the AdSense or AdMob. So you will get this message to your email ID. If you have got the $10, please check your mail ID. So surely you will get to your registered email ID. So let us see how we can verify our account in the Google AdSense and what are the requirement documents we need friends for so as you can see here, there have been mentioned the documents also. So you need to match with the your username profile name with your government document. So like you can use the Aadhaar card. So let us see how we can verify it. So you can just tap on it or else you can open the Google AdSense account also. Let's open the Google AdSense account once. So friends, as you can see here, there is an alert message, your payment are the currently on hold, action is required to release the payment. So you need to just click on the action. So let us, once you click on the action friends, so just scroll down. So here as you can see here, there is an option called verify now. Just tap on it. So you need to verify it. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you need to fill all the documents friends, whatever you have, you need to fill all the documents. And also you need to have an at least voter ID, driving license or PAN card. So you can upload this thing. So you need to match your, basically friends, you will get an post from the Google. You need to verify it. So in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can verify that also. First you need to do this process in order to get the post from the Google friends. So let us see, let us add the, so just click on the tap on the pencil icon and enter the your name. So full name, so you need to enter the name and also you need to enter the you need to enter the full address friends. So let us enter the full address also. So once you enter, so I will give my mobile number also over here in the address. Better to give the mobile number also friends. So I will give my other mobile number. So once you give the mobile number friends, just scroll down. So fill all the details, like it will ask for the city, postal code and the state also. So you need to fill all the details and you need to upload the requirement details. So just tap on upload. So let us upload with the camera. So I will take the photo and I will upload it. So it will take to some time. So I am here updating the, here I am updating the PAN card. So make sure friends, if you have a name for the initial and the name should be same as your document what you are uploading. So it will take some time to upload that. So leave it for the few seconds. So once it uploads, so you need to just click on the submit. So it will show you the notice that it in within the 2-3 days it will verify it. So make sure that you are uploading the correct details. So I got the approval within the 1 hour. So you can check your mail for the update also. So at the end of the video I will show you the proof what you will get to verify your account. So friends, when you are uploading the document, any passport or else any PAN card, make sure that your initial, your name, all the spelling should be same as your Google profile. So you need to enter the correct details. Even if you enter the single mistake, so it will not take, they will not approve your account. So make sure that when you are approving the document name and your profile name should be same, friends. So make sure that both are correct in form, and once you upload, friends, it will take around maximum, for me it took 5 minutes. So you can check your mail, so that if you are rejected also, you will get the mail also, friends. So I will show you what you will get, how you will get the verification mail. As you can see here, friends, I got a mail from the Google AdSense. Identity verification is successful. So you will get like this mail. So once you get, your account is fully activated, and also you need to enter the code in this. So I will show in the upcoming video, friends, how you can enter the code. So you will get the code from the Google, post from the Google. You need to enter that code in the Google AdSense. So it will be activate to your full AdSense account. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So please do share this video and like this video with your friends and family members. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.